So today I am working with students on their Plant the Moon challenge. They are measuring lunar regolith that they've received from NASA and measuring out various amounts of soil and other nutrients and minerals that they're adding to their experiment, and then they'll be planting seeds into those pots.
The goal of the project is to figure out what will make plants grow best in space for astronauts to eat.
I've been looking into what kinds of elements are needed to have plants grow, and what kind of elements are in the lunar regolith, seeing what we need to add.
Watching these kids flourish with their confidence in science has been really amazing.
And that this is real science and real engineering, and they're not far from being a part of that, and we hope that they will.
I kind of want to be some sort of engineer in the future, biomedical engineer, maybe.
I'd like to be an astrophysicist, and even though this doesn't have a lot to do with astrophysics, it does have something to do with space, which is a general interest of mine.
And so for our students today to get an opportunity to engage in an activity where they are helping solve a real problem that we're going to face as humans trying to live on the moon, that gives them something that is real. It gives them something that they can really look forward to actually working on one day.
They have been able to simulate an experiment that's going to be incredible. I already know that they're just going to take off and fly.